So I just got a package from the one oh it's from Stephanie from PCS. Stephanie from PCS. That's the preferred claim solutions out of Miami. PA firm that I'm good friends with. Probably one of the most fun PA firms I've ever dealt with. Stephanie and Nick. I'm dealing often with Vanessa and Frank, but they just did the networking event in the Miami Open. And I think that they just sent me a box of wine. It's from wine country. Maybe it's just a box. I don't know. The hell is wow. Whoa. Well, it's not just wine. It's a whole basket. Wow. A special gift just for you. This gift of wine country's finest assortment has been sent to you with best wishes from someone who knows how much you deserve it. If a personalized gift message has been included, you'll find it under the label or in the pouch on the outside of this box. If not, the sender's name is listed on the address label. There is a gift message, and I totally cut a hole in it. Whoops. Oh, luckily I didn't cut it the right way. So thank you for your support in making our event a success. Your presence made all the difference from Preferred Claim Solutions. Well, thank you, Preferred Claim Solutions. I feel like I deserve this too because you got me to dance in front of a crowd, and I have zero experience in doing that. And somehow the videos didn't make me look terrible. If they'd have kept rolling, though, everyone would have seen right through my complete faking it, being able to do any kind of a salsa. This is cool. I got all kinds of stuff in here: caramels, crackers, chocolates, bottle of wine, happy hour heat. That sounds a little intimate. What is happy hour heat? There's a lot of tape holding this together. Spicy and sweet snack mix. That is not what I expected. All right. Happy hour heat. Sounds like something that might have like a bottle of lube in it. That's got goldfish and some other things. Honey roasted peanuts, sesame sticks. That's what those are. Honey roasted peanuts. That's a weird name for that. Godiva masterpieces. Caramel lion of Belgium. It's a like a family crest. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna eat a caramel lion. Palmiers? Palmyres? Palmiers? Palmiers. Buttery and flaky pastry. What else is in here? Vanilla fudge with sea salt. Blissfully delicious. From the Underground Fudge Company. When you absolutely have to have your fudge made underground. Smoked Gouda. Probably needs to be refrigerated. Refrigerate after opening. That's good news. Soft nougat, fruit, and nut bites. Soft nougat. Honey mustard sourdough pretzels. Amarantini crispy almond cookies. Biscuit. Crostillons. Almendi. I don't know what language this is supposed to be. Oh, it's Italy. I was doing it way wrong. I was trying to be French. There it is. I don't know how to pronounce that. Hmm, very nice. And then crackers, round crackers, and a Cabernet from California, East Point, bottled in 2022, probably a excellent year in Napa. I don't know. I don't know if it's a good year. Honestly, I could drink crap wine and really high expensive wine, and I can't tell the difference. So I'm glad it's not a really expensive bottle. I feel like that's usually wasted on me. I got a nice basket. For Claim Solutions, you guys are awesome. Put on a great event. I got to have some fun. I got to drink for free at that because you made me dance, and now I get all this other stuff too. Well, that's crazy. Thank you. I don't usually get stuff for going to an event. It's pretty cool. Yeah.